In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images to Microsoft Copilot. If you want Copilot to analyze a screenshot, describe a photo, help with visual content, or answer questions based on an image, the good news is that uploading a picture is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open Microsoft Copilot in your browser and go to the Copilot chat page. Once you're there, make sure you can see the main chat area where you normally type your prompt or question. This is the same place where you'll also attach your image, so it helps to get familiar with the layout before moving on. Next, look to the left side of the chat or prompt bar. You should see a plus icon. This button is used to add attachments to your conversation. Go ahead and click that plus icon. If you don't notice it right away, take a moment to look carefully around the message box area, because that's where the upload controls are typically located. After clicking the plus icon, a small menu will appear with attachment options. From that menu, click on Add Images or Files. This tells Copilot that you want to include something from your device as part of your chat. This step is especially useful when you want Copilot to work with more than just text, since adding an image gives it visual context to respond more accurately. Once you select Add Images or Files, a file browser window will open on your device. From there, choose the picture you want to upload. You can select a screenshot, a photo, or another supported image file, depending on what you want Copilot to review. After choosing the file, confirm your selection in the file browser so the image is added to the chat. At this point, your image should appear as an attachment in the Copilot conversation area. Before sending anything, it's a good idea to quickly check that you picked the correct file. If needed, you can usually remove it and try again before submitting your prompt. One helpful tip is to pair your uploaded image with a clear written instruction. For example, you might ask Copilot to summarize the image, extract information from it, explain what's shown, or help troubleshoot something visible in a screenshot. The clearer your prompt is, the better the response is likely to be. And that's all it takes to upload images to Microsoft Copilot. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very fast and easy.